Hello my loves. So after a long tiring day and though we are getting low pollution due to this lockdown, but still as you can see I am having a dull face after a long tiring day. So now I am going to share my night skincare regime. So at first, as you can see, I am having some small bumps. So I will be using Attitude Active Clear Pimple Face Wash. So here I have taken some water in the bowl. So I am just dabbing my face with some water. And after that I will take the product. As you can see, I will take a very little amount. Okay, so this much face wash is required for the whole face. After that I will gently clean my face. It's raining outside, as you all can hear the sound maybe. So after massaging, I'm just cleaning off my face with water. And after cleaning my face, I will just dry it up with a towel. Like you all can see, it looks great now after the wash. So all the dirts are gone away. Now it's time for nourishing the skin. So as you all can see, I have some spots for pimple that grew during the last lockdown, that is 2020 lockdown, due to a mask which we called mask knee, or due to digestion problem as our daily schedule got changed. So there is less physical work. We all are sitting at home. So that is why I had some acne problems, but now there is no active acne. But still I have some marks. So for that I am using Artistry Ideal Radiance Illuminating Essence. As you all can see, this is the product packaging. So I am just opening it and I am just unlocking it, and then I will take very small amount like this, as you all can see. Then I will put it in the desired area. After that I will blend it nicely all over my face. As the name says, illuminating essence. So you all can see a instant illuminating effect it is giving, that glow. Oh my god. So you all can see how my face is glowing. I just love this product. This is my favorite till date. And as you can see, the glow with my bare face. So yeah, I will take a little more and will put in the areas where I have dark patches, like under eyes and my forehead. I have much dark spots. I had actually on my forehead. I will try to provide a picture of my face having acne, though I don't like that. After that I am locking this and leaving it for a while so that my skin can soak the product nicely. And after that, obviously we all need a moisturizer, and a night moisturizer is a must, because after the sleep we want to see us glowing in the morning, just like the flowers that bloom in the morning. So for that I'm gonna use Artistry Youth Extend Enriching Lotion. This is the product Enriching Lotion. As you can see, it is rich with moisturizer, so I'm just using it. So it is also having the lock system, so I'm just unlocking it and taking a little amount and dividing it into my face. It's raining heavily. I know the noise is coming, but it's okay. Then I will blend it nicely. Though I instant glow you all can see, but I will give the result when I will wake up tomorrow morning. So you guys have to wait till then. As you all can see, instant glow. Oh my god. Like, yeah, I loved it. I'm taking a bit and giving it on my cheeks so that it gets enough moisture for the whole night. खो गए हम कहाँ, रंग सा है जहाँ. So this is my bare face without any makeup, obviously, as you all can see. So this is my short and simple night skincare regime. See you guys tomorrow morning. So I will be back with my skin results. Bye bye. Good night. See you tomorrow. Hello my loves, good morning. So I just woke up and came to do this video to show you the result of my night care regime. So here my bare skin is. I haven't done my brush yet, so just came so that you can see what the result actually I get early morning. So I just love this. As you all can see, it's glowing. It have a bright essence, as you all can see. So yeah, this was my night care regime, skincare regime. So I just love these products as it worked like a magic to me, as you all can see. So previous night I had some bumps, so I used that active clear pimple face wash from Attitude of Amway. So now you can see there is no bumps. And the dark patches, actually I'm using that product Ideal Radiance for a long time, like maybe for 2-3 weeks actually. So the spots are fading out, but it takes time as these are very dark and patches, so it will take time, but still I'm happy with the result. Let me know what your point of view is and what are you thinking about. So, and yeah, obviously you can concern any kind of skincare problem or anything related to skin, hair to me. Bye bye.